Wag lang tao. Siyempre, mahihiya naman ako noon. How long you been working in Dubai? More than 8 years, like 8 years and November, December, January, February, March. Oh my God. Yes, I think 8 years. 8 years and 7 months. But seriously, lahat kayo, Babyface, Tignan, Bernardino sisters, nasa vlog niyo yun. Oy, talaga? Nakita mo na ba kaming lahat, Kuya Marvin? Nakita mo na ba kaming lahat sa ano? Hindi pa yata, hindi. Yung panganay, hindi pa. Wow, that is long time. Yes, Sir Andy, it's been long time.